Hey everyone, the CycleClick from Bike-On is a new kind of cycling power meter that has quickly captured the attention of the cycling community through Kickstarter. Launched in late August 2025, the campaign reached its modest $5,000 funding goal almost instantly, surpassing it multiple times within the first 24 hours. By the evening of August 21st, pledges had already exceeded $100,000 to $7,000, showing just how much interest the concept has generated among cyclists looking for a more affordable, yet feature-rich performance measurement device. What sets CycleClick apart is its promise to deliver advanced training insights without the steep costs usually associated with high-end power meters. The device tracks 5 core metrics: power output, torque, cadence, caloric intake, and left-to-right leg balance. Together, these data sets provide cyclists with a deeper look at their performance, helping them manage training intensity and fine-tune technique. For amateur riders, this means more structured training without having to invest in expensive equipment, while professionals may find it a useful supplementary tool. Compatibility is another area where CycleClick shines. Bike-On emphasizes that the device works with nearly every type of bike that uses a chain drive, whether it's a road bike, gravel bike, mountain bike, touring bike, or even a standard commuter. The only limitation is that it cannot be used with SRAM flat-top chains, but beyond that, it is designed to be universally adaptable. This broad compatibility is paired with a quick installation process, reportedly taking only 30 seconds, making it not just versatile, but also convenient for riders who want to switch the device between different bikes. On Kickstarter, CycleClick is offered at an early price of $184, with bundles including speed and balance sensors available at around $225. Compared to the market standard, where power meters often cost several $100s more and sometimes require proprietary systems, CycleClick appears to be an attractive value proposition. However, as with all crowdfunding projects, there is some caution to be exercised. While the concept is promising and the funding response has been enthusiastic, real-world testing will ultimately determine whether the sensors deliver the accuracy and reliability cyclists demand. After the campaign ends, the price is expected to rise in retail channels, making the Kickstarter pledge level the most cost-effective way to get the device. Still, early backers shoulder the typical risks of crowdfunding, including potential delays or design changes before final delivery. Overall, CycleClick looks like a compelling attempt to democratize access to detailed cycling performance data. By combining affordability, ease of use, and wide compatibility, Bike-On is aiming to bridge the gap between entry-level cyclists and professionals, all while lowering the financial barrier to tools that were once exclusive to serious athletes. If the accuracy and durability of the device live up to the promises, CycleClick could quickly establish itself as one of the most disruptive new cycling accessories in recent years. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.